Welcome, today in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you how to turn off mirror effect in camera app on this device. So first we'll open the camera application, and now I'll take a photo. Here you can set the mirror reflection. Now it's turned on, but we can turn it off and select this type of this photo. So by this way we can just do this to select the without the mirror reflection the picture, but I'll show you how to do it, how to turn it off in the camera settings. So now just to turn off the mirror effect, you should click here on the right upper corner into the settings icon, and here you'll see the mirror reflection switcher. Just to turn off mirror effect, click here only once on the switcher, and that's it. And now when we'll go back here into the camera app, I'll take a picture again. So you can see that we're just taking a picture and we have no here any just questions. And now you can see that's two different photos, two different selfies. So that's it. That's how to turn off mirror effect in camera app on our Honor 50 Lite. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.